Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy. Thank you so much for joining in today's video. We are giving the girls bedroom a mini update. You might have seen by the title of this video. So when I started filming this video, I was so heavily pregnant, hence the curtains are hung like that. So I was trying to prevent the sun from directly going inside because it was interrupting the girls. They had to wake up early. It was the school holidays, so I thought it was just not on. That's why we decided to give it like a mini update, get the curtains. The lights that you see here were from our previous I have 28%. Konja, how much is it?
2.4 meters by 3.3 meters.
And then the price?
1469. 147.
It's the same price as the previous one.
Yes.
Okay. But it looks so neat.
Looks good. Now do this swap.
That's fair.
Yeah?
That's fair.
Swap nation.
Bazobonakala kahle kusasa.
Or the lighting.
Yeah. Because it seems so white.
Like it is. The last one. Ta-da!
Wow, so this is cool.
Isn't that cool?
So we got the curtain there in cream white color. I don't know if it shows well on the camera. It's trends. I tried to show you guys the clip of us shopping there, but it was blurry, so I couldn't. So is the hole, so I couldn't do it as well. So we got the curtains, we got the bedding, we got the mats. That's the stuff that is new, but the other things are just old stuff. I wanted something that is bigger than these beds because for the single bedding it doesn't cover them nicely. They'll be short on the side, so I didn't like the way it appeared, so I decided to get the quilts that you guys will see shortly. They are so cute. They are not so neutral as per our usual bedding. They have these little kitten heads on them, and they are pink in color. It is a girl's bedroom.
She wakes before the sun, hands work, heart prays, strength wrapped in mercy, kindness on her face. She is worth far more than rubies. She stands.
So at the back I have pushed this bedding. It is quite big. It is for a double bedding size. Yeah. So the girls have put these books here, and on this side for big sis, her bed has been more of a guest bed, if I may call it that way, because we didn't have an extra bed for a long time. So my brother was sleeping on this one until we got the bed. So when we got the bed, he got the job and then he moved out. That's why he her bed is like this. Hopefully as the time goes by, we will be able to get like a new mattress because the base is still perfectly fine. So for this one, I don't like the way it shows on the side, this bedding. I had to like tuck it in, but I think you will see also on another clip that I decided to make it like overlap on both sides, because the bed is on the middle and then it's not like on the wall like the other one. That's why the bedding is like this. But you will see on the next clip, or if not this one, the other one, you will see that I just let it be like it was overlapping a bit more on both sides. I just hope I'm making sense, you guys. Most of the things that we have here, like these small pillows, we thrifted them, and then the other ones I bought at Mr. Price Home. These light holders, I get them from Builders. I think they're like 200 rand, if not less than that. They come in black color and also in white color. Obviously, I think it looks more beautiful with black. So this is the lampshade that was on the previous collection for Ezimbengeni. I'll leave the business Instagram handle, you guys, because I've seen that some people are messaging me on my personal account, and for that one I always miss messages. So I'll leave the business page on the description box. For TikTok, I had to delete TikTok, you guys, for personal reasons. Yay!
Do you still need an electrician?
No, I have a man. I have a husband.
What's in?
She who finds a husband.
She who finds a husband finds an electrician.
So, not that there was anything wrong with these lights, you guys, but they were moving so slow, and the supplier that I got like was super expensive, so it was either I lose on them or we just discontinue with them completely. So we had to like weigh our option, and our best option for now, it is just to hold on to them until we find like a better supplier from Malawi. And then another thing that I wanted to do was to hang like the pictures. I will find the girls' graduation pictures somewhere and then hang them. It's just that on this video I didn't find them, but at least Tobisi did manage to put the frames, and then whenever I get a chance I'll just put those graduation pictures so that it makes more like it shows that the room belongs to them. I don't know, I was asking the girls if like in future, because there should be another bed here, it's just that I don't know if we will still be here, you guys, because the aim is to go home. I desperately want to go home. Like the city life, I don't know, for some reason it's not for me. I just want to go back home, and then we start from scratch there. It's just that for now this is our life, this is on this season, this is our life. So I don't know, in future we want to put like the dead bed here, or maybe we partition this room, because it is quite a big size. We can make it like a 2-room, and then we put the bed and the study table only on the other one for big sis, and then the babies will share. I don't know, was just talking to them about that, because that bed can just fit perfectly, but I don't know, for big sis I think she deserves her own space. But we'll see as the time goes by. For now this is what we have, and baby sis is still we're still co-sharing with her. So these pictures, we had them in our previous space in our room, but now I don't think they will work that side, because on that in our room for now we have like original bricks, and I love to keep it that way. I don't want to like put the plaster on it. I want origin like texture of the home to remain, if that makes any sense. But I must say I'm super happy with these small changes, you guys. You can tell that it is just minor changes, but it has made a huge difference. For the painting, I didn't include the painting clip because the guy painted a very long time ago. So for now I was just wiping when I see that there are a few spots on the walls or something of that sort, but I didn't include that part. And then for these chest of drawers, I do want to get like metal, bronze handles and then repaint it again. It was not of good quality. It is just one of those wood that is just cheap wood. I got it from FairPrice a long time ago, I think when we moved this site in Pretoria, but it is still in a good condition, especially inside, so we are not going to throw it away. We are still going to give it some life. So you guys can see that this bed in the middle, it says like that deeper part of the on the bed. So yeah, and in future we do want to change this. It's just that everything happened so fast, we didn't like plan ahead. Obviously when family comes to us, we cannot chase them away or anything like that. But you guys, this is what I was trying to explain with the bedding. You can see that it is very long on this side and also on the other side as well. It is very long on the chest of drawer because it's easy access to Uhlelo. We have put her spray. She's suffering from asthma for now, but we pray that she outgrows it. And then with the big sis, I think she has her book there, and then her glasses, her case glasses, like those things that should be easy reachable for both of them. That shelf, I need to remove it. It was here when we moved in. For now it has my brother's portrait. He's an artist, so we left them there because this year they are not participating in Wonder Park event. We need to take them home when we go home if we have space, or maybe they will pick them up if they get time. I don't know. Anyway, anything, it doesn't matter. So you guys, I hope you did enjoy this video and I hope you did find some inspiration. I'm sorry that I maybe kept on repeating myself, just that I'm distracted by something else on the side here. Thank you so much for watching. Please do support the channel by watching the adverts, like the video, yeah, share it for someone who think might be useful too. So thank you so much, you guys. I will see you on my next upload. Bye for now.
Boots on the gas, sky turning red, ain't looking back. Dust in my teeth, smoke in my hair, wind's got my name, miles to go, heart still heavy, road still long.